Hello, friends, everybody. Good day. Today, I would like to discuss about the growing plants in greenhouses, abandoned buildings. Before that, I go to the subject. I would like to some correction. So that correction is previously my video jobbing and mechanical pulling and spot treatment of weeds video was given while conversation it was instead of dropping drooping it was mentioned in below the uh, titles, so that is wrong. Say jopping is correct, jopping is correct. So that is one thing. And another thing is spot treatment of weeds. I would like to add one more, the benefit of spot treatment of weeds about it is effective in killing underground rhizomes. Where the weeds have rhizomes, it will kill the rhizomes and tubers such as nuts such as. So these are the two things I want to add. Previous my video of japping, mechanical pulling, and spot treatment of it. Okay, that's what I want to tell you. Now, the today's discussion is growing plants are in greenhouses in abandoned buildings. So this is growing plants in greenhouses, abandoned buildings involves creating controlled environments where crops can thrive, often using advanced techniques like hydroponics, vertical farming, and aquaponics. So this is how it works. We will discuss now. This is one of the thing where we included in future farming 2050. This is one of the thing where it can be done nearby urban areas where there is a huge populations are there. This is the thing growing greenhouses. See, you have seen the vision in video the images that growing. See, use appropriate wavelength lights so that help with the photosynthesis 24 hours a day. So in the greenhouses, appropriate wavelength is must. So it will be working very nicely. So here is the things would like to explain in detail. The growing of greenhouses is greenhouses are structure made of transparent materials like glass or plastic that allows sunlight in while providing a controlled environment for growing plants. You can see in the images what the greenhouses are also. So it is in a shelf by shelf as plants are arranged. They grow in controlled environment. So that's how this greenhouses works. In controlled climate, one is controlled climate. Greenhouses maintain see optimal temperature, humidity, and light conditions for plant growth. They often include heating, cooling, and ventilation systems to regulate the climate. These are all very regulated in greenhouses, and light management. Natural sunlight is maximized, but artificial light can be used during cloudy days and at night to extend the growing period. Another thing is water and nutrient control. So here is water is very controlled, and we need less water because say in open field we do the flooding, but here it is not possible. So irrigation system like drip irrigation, hydroponics, and growing plants in nutrient-rich water instead of soil are commonly used to optimize water and nutrient delivery to plants. So, what are the benefits of this green growing in greenhouses? The benefits are year, year around year you can grow the even in climates not suitable for certain crops. So, because of controlled environments in greenhouses, we can grow the 365 days the crops we need it and demand outside for the people. Higher yields due to better control of environment and protection from pests and diseases, reducing the need of pesticides. These are the benefits, is huge benefits. But see, here is one thing I would like to speak. But initial investment will be huge. That we have to budgetly see planning how to make this one. So this is the one thing. So next is growing in abandoned buildings. That is one of the things where growing the crops in abandoned buildings. Growing in abandoned buildings is often referred to an indoor farming or urban farming and is commonly associated with the techniques like vertical farming and hydroponics. So you can see the image there where it can be done in an abandoned place. So how this abandoned buildings used for growing crops? See, one is the vertical farming. Plants are grown in a stacked layers, often on shelves or racks, making efficient use of space. Here is most usually, see, space is used. You see in the images, previous image and this image, you can see the space is very less, but plants are more. So this is the what actually it needs. The much allows farming in smaller places like warehouses, old factories, and abandoned buildings. So these are the useful where abandoned buildings also. And artificial lighting. Since natural light may be limited or unavailable, LED grow lights or other artificial lighting systems are used to provide the necessary light spectrum for photosynthesis. That is the second important thing how it works. And hydroponics, aeroponics, these are soilless farming methods commonly used in indoor organic. This is the hydroponics and aeroponics also. I will give you later after some time what is the hydroponics. Hydroponics means plants are grown in water enriched with nutrients. That is all. Simple explanation. So aeroponics, plants' roots are suspended in the air and sprayed with nutrient-rich moisture. So with nutrient-rich moisture also, it is sprayed aeroponics. In the aeroponics, it is done like that. Here also, climate is controlled heating, cooling, and air circulation systems are used to maintain optimal growing conditions for the plants which are planted inside, regardless of extent of weather conditions. So whatever may be outside weather condition, here is the controlled climate conditions are maintained. Automation and sensors. Many indoor farming operations use sensors and automation to monitor and control light, water, nutrients, and temperatures. This indicates that with no manpower, with less manpower, or only the manpower is used for observation whether the automation is working properly or not. Otherwise, everything is it is done by artificial intelligence also here. So the benefits in this is mostly she makes use of unused and abandoned urban spaces. This is the most important in urban spaces where this is used, unused and abandoned spaces. Can grow food locally, reducing transportation costs and emissions. So that is all the precise control over the environment factors leads to efficient resource use, water and energy, less vulnerable to external weather conditions, pests and soil contamination. These are all everything inside because that is inside control conditions, inside water is required less and there will be no pest and disease. How this is worked, now you can know it. So the thing is that next advantage of growing in controlled environments is most see in the future advantage. What is the advantage in growing controlled environments? Maximized space efficiency. See, the space efficiency is maximized. That is, in vertical farming or greenhouses, space is used efficiently, producing more food per square foot compared to traditional agriculture. This is see how see in a square foot it is efficiently used than outside traditional agriculture. Reduce water wastage. We understand that 40% of water is going to be reduced for available for agriculture in future. So even under reduced water uses by both hydroponics and vertical farming systems use significantly less water compared to traditional farming since water is recirculated. That is what here it is because it requires a less volume of water. So fewer pesticides, controlled environments reduce the need of pesticides because the pests are less prevalent indoors. Sustainability, urban farming is abundant buildings reduces the need for deforestation and can contribute to local food systems, making cities more self-sufficient. See this abundant farming that is inside aquatic farming and hydroponics and the area this is and aeroponics. These are the things where it is requires in urban farming to nearby consumers only, so that it will be more demand and self-sufficient, makes cities more self-sufficient. Growing crops in these ways enables the use of modern technology to improve the efficiency and sustainability, especially in urban areas and regions for challenging climate conditions. This is what actually we need it in future farming because of to meet the growing populations. All these are necessary. So this is one of the thing that we require in future farming. This technology of see greenhouses and abandoned buildings farming. So this is what today I want to discuss with. Yeah, this is what. Thank you very much. But I wanted to say, please subscribe. I mean, all these technologies, I mean, that you should apply now only. It is only a knowledge that I am giving the young scientists or young people who are coming or who are doing agriculture inside, they can think that future will be like this only. They can plan like that. They can update their minds with future technologies so that they can be more efficiently work in future with less burdens. This is what I wanted to tell you. So this is what I mean. So every day, whenever I feel it, uh, 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 because of my, I know that there are some disturbances in my body. That's why I could not able to give you daily, but I can give you whenever I feel very happy. So new things. So this is I am giving in English. Previously I did it in Telugu. Now it is for everybody outside the Andhra Pradesh also to think it and make it successful. Thank you very much.